Hello, this is Michael Carlo. I'm a teacher of sixth grade social studies in a public school in central New Jersey, working in the general education setting. Tonight, I would like to introduce you to two emerging tools for teaching and learning and assessment. The first is the DBQ Project Online. The DBQ project, once subscribed, allows teachers to create a login using a school email account. Like so many other tools in recent years, Google applications are connected. And so if I was logging in, I would click this button. I'm already logged in on this tab to save time. Once in, teachers create class sets or class lists, which generate easily shareable links that students can click on from a platform like Google Classroom, for instance. Once students click on this, they're automatically joined into the class list on the DBQ project. Teachers can add assignments easily using the Add Assignment button. Clicking that, we're brought to a series of what are called binders containing a multitude of topics under each heading. There are also some literature binders, so this tool is also applicable to language arts classes, though it was initially created for use in social studies education. High school level teachers might be interested in the document-based questions at the top of the screen here, where middle school teachers will more focus on what are called mini-Qs. Clicking on the World History mini-Q binder, we see that there is a range of topics connected to the ancient world history. Each topic is centered around a driving question. For instance, Project 1 is Hammurabi's Code, was it just? Students work through the series of assignments in this project in order to take a stance backed by evidence regarding this question. Each project comes in two versions, one more highly scaffolded than the other, to be used at teacher discretion. Clicking Assign, we see that teachers are brought to a list of customizable options. Many of these options apply to individual educational plans or other student accommodations. Many teachers like to turn on the audio read aloud feature, which many students appreciate the use of as they go through the activities. Clicking on the Customize button, teachers are brought to a second customizing screen, which allows them to actually click to include or eliminate activities from this project as they see fit. From the high interest hook activity to the background essay, to a series of activities that have students working through documents, analyzing those documents, primary and secondary sources, and pulling out evidence to support an opinion regarding the driving question. Finally, the culminating activity, developing an essay around an argument. Teachers might click to eliminate those final activities and perhaps replace them with a self-generated multimedia presentation or any other range of products. The second tool that I want to show tonight is Flipgrid. Flipgrid is an outstanding, user-friendly tool for assessment. It can be used for formative or summative assessment. Students enjoy using Flipgrid because it has them make videos in response to teacher prompts and questions. This tool is especially useful for students as a form of expression aside from writing or visual, graphic expression, and it's especially helpful for students who might have something to add to a conversation or say, but are hesitant to do so in a large group setting where they're required to raise their hands. After logging in using a school login or Google account, teachers can create grids, which is the word for digital classrooms in this tool. After creating a grid, teachers can post prompts and questions. There are many user-friendly tools which pop up and allow a range of support features to be added to each prompt and question. Teachers add a title, directions, and tips. When students log in, they see a slightly different screen with tools that direct them in the creation of videos in response to the teacher prompt. This can be done in groups or individually, at school or at home. This tool can be used in a multitude of ways for formative and summative assessment of material to be learned. The best part, teachers can set the time of the videos. So if you only want a 1-minute video from each student, you can set that up. If you want a 5-minute video, that's fine too. But for now, my time is up. So I hope this video has been useful for finding new resources for teaching and assessment and learning. Thank you.